Hello guys, and today I will be installing a clean copy of Windows 2000 Server. So first you want to go to my computer, well I'm on my computer, and then I'm just going to double tap on my drive, install Windows 2000, just click OK, and then it brings up this, install a new copy, I accept, next, you don't need any of that really. And then now it's copying the files and it's going to install it. Once you get to this screen, you're going to want to press enter. This is basically if you were to have a clean, if you were to just basically these parts are just going to basically be sped up because they're just stuff like formatting the hard drive and copying the files from the disk, so they're not really that important to watch in full speed. Right here, it just finished doing the drive part. Now you're gonna enter to restart. Now it should just be starting it up. Now it restarted itself. And now it's wanting me to wait. If you guys want me to, I can upload my collection of these onto Archive and link it below. It'll be a couple gigabytes because I have a lot of ISO files. Now it's installing the drivers, which I'm just going to leave it alone for. This part took so long to the point where I sped this up 5 times, and it still takes around 20-30 seconds to watch. So now the drivers have finished installing for like the mouse and keyboard. That flicker you saw on the screen, what it said it would happen when it's installing, stuff like that. I'm just gonna put just gonna put something. I'm just gonna put blank if I could spell. Next. This part is just installing stuff that we pretty much, I think it's the stuff that we just selected with those check boxes, but I'm not too sure. It's just installing some other stuff. Now with this part, it's just performing the final tasks where it installs like the last bit of anything. Now I'm at the point where I want to take out my DVD or CD, depending on your system, if it takes DVD or CD or both. I have a burned one that I took out. So now I'm going to click finish once I take it out. And it should restart into Windows 2000. Now it's starting up. It's just preparing stuff. Now I'm gonna want to press Control Alt Delete. Delete is on the, not the backspace button, the delete on the numpad. And now I'm just gonna want to click Enter because I didn't make a password. And then there's the song. Here, I don't want to configure anything. So I'm just going to exit out of that. And now I have a fresh version of Windows Server 2000. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.